What's going on, everyone? Dallas here for another video, and today we are doing a review video on the DX-3 video drone Sharper Image. It is a video drone, not a PV. I got it for Christmas. It has a 4GB micro SD card. It has 4 bulb in LED lights. Has removable blade guards, stable flight, and it includes 4 replacement blades. It is a 3-speed control remote. It has 360-degree start rolls, auto operations, and auto landing. It looks like it got some pretty clear images. It looks like. Doesn't say how far the remote goes. Reading it doesn't say how far the remote goes. But it's a rechargeable 2.4 gigahertz battery. And the instructions are still in the box. Good box. Here's the instructions. Very straightforward. It just tells you how to operate it, what to do for stuns, how to charge it, stuff like that. Or with the SD card. So you get that. And now for the drone. Compared to the size of my hand, the pretty good drone, pretty good size, probably like a foot. Here it is, and see, it has a DX. See if my light can get it. Nope, my light will not be able to get it. Prop guards, probably gonna leave those on there for about whenever I get better at flying. SD card goes in here. Looks like the battery's in there, so I haven't looked at the battery yet. Let's see, a screwdriver. And you got the little movable camera. Probably mess around with that later. Turn it on. Lights. Now, here's the charging cord. It's like a normal phone outlet for like the normal phones. They're pretty good. You got the SD card reader to plug into your laptop or computer. And you got the props for, and now the remote. There we go. Just like a little warning thing. This, well, I guess I need it for the batteries. That is a big remote. So it looks like we got auto operation, landing, spin trim, low, medium, high. Low, medium, high. Then you got direct trim, and that's pretty much it. Take 6 AA's. Let's fire it up. Set this over here. So facing right now, so let's turn it the opposite direction. Fire up your remote. Now, turn on the drone. You must have it on a level surface or else it will fly crooked. Throttle up. Throttle down. Connected. Just do a little flight test right here. Alrighty. And now we're going to do an outside flight right now.